Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I just want to go over resetting for hang cleans. Something that you'll see that's very common with people whenever they're first learning is that they lose their position whenever they're doing touch and go reps or just going from the hang in general. So what you want to focus on when you're setting up for the next rep, so after you've done your first rep, it's really about how you reset for the next rep. So you actually want to use the bar coming back down to actually load you for the next rep. What you'll commonly see with people is that they will bring the bar down and they'll get jerked forward with it. So they'll end up in this position here, and then you try and bring the shoulders back as they're going, so they'll almost do two different movements. So they'll be here and they'll go bend the arms and then do a wee jump to get underneath the bar. So it's going to, one, cost you a lot of energy, but two, it's a little bit dangerous over time as well. Especially the stronger you get and the heavier weights you can lift, you want to make sure that your technique is on point. So after you do your first rep of a clean, whenever you bring the bar down, you want to catch it and then into this position so that you're ready to go for your next rep. I'm actually in the middle of a workout, so I'm a bit out of breath, but I wanted to get this done. So set up using the reset of the first rep. Okay, so for 3 in a row. Slow things down a bit so that your positions are good. So whenever you're practicing, bring it down, pause here for a second. Do you feel your hamstrings? Are your lats switched on? So give it a go, analyze your technique, and be awesome.